Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn exercise 7 from the chapter fractions. Children, in our previous class we have learned how to compare the like fractions. In this exercise we are going to learn how to convert an improper fraction to an mixed fraction. It is a mixed number. We can say that as mixed number also. So we are going to learn how to convert the given improper fraction to a mixed number. We know that improper fraction means the numerator will be greater than the denominator. Here look at the numerator 5 and the denominator is 2. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. Do you know what is a mixed number? Have you remember? Mixed number is a combination of a whole and a proper fraction. If it is a mixed number, there will be a whole and a proper fraction. So this is the example of a mixed number. So here 3 is a whole and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. There is a common form to find out the mixed number. Mixed number equals quotient remainder by the given denominator. So this is the form of the mixed number. You have to write the number in the form quotient remainder by the denominator. Okay, we know the form. How can we find out the quotient and remainder? Yes, exactly, by dividing the given fraction. Here 5 is the dividend. We are going to divide the given fraction 5 by 2. So to divide a number, we need a dividend and divisor, right? Here 5 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So if you divide the numbers, you can get quotient and the remainder. Yes, let us divide the given fraction 5 divided by 2. Yes, just recite the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So in third time we get the product 6. So we have to choose the previous one which is less than the dividend. So in second time we can get 4. So 5 minus 4 it is 1. So here 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So when you divide a number 5 by 2, you can get 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. What is the form of a mixed number, children? Quotient remainder by denominator. So now let us write the mixed number for the given improper fraction 5 by 2. So let us write in the form quotient. The quotient is 2. Then remainder is 1 by the denominator. Denominator is 2. So here the mixed number for the given improper fraction is 2 1 by 2. Let us write the answer. 5 by 2 is the given improper fraction and 2 1 by 2 is the mixed number. So 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So you should divide the given number, that means 5 by 2. Divide the numerator by the denominator. You can get a quotient and a remainder, and you should write it in the form. Now let us move to the next question. 15 by 8. Here 15 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So divide the number 15 by 8. So recite the 8 table. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. In second time we can get 16, but it is bigger than the dividend. So we have to take the first product which we can get in first time. 8 ones are 8. Yes, 15 minus 8. What will you get? It is 7. So if you subtract 15 and 8, you will get 7. Here 1 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. We know the form of a mixed number. It is quotient, remainder by a denominator. So here the quotient is 1, remainder is 7 and the denominator is 8. So 1 7 by 8 is the mixed number of the given improper fraction 15 by 8. Write down the answer. 15 by 8 equals 1 7 by 8. Shall we move to the next? Look at the next fraction. It is 25 by 6. So 25 is the dividend. Six is the divisor. So divide the number 25 by 6. So in fourth time we can get 24. 6 fours are 24. So write below the number 25 minus 24. It is 1. So here the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. We know the form to write a mixed number. It is equal quotient 4, the remainder is 1 and the denominator is 6. So 25 by 6 equals 4 1 by 6. Answer 25 by 6 equals 4 1 by 6. So 25 by 6 we can write in the whole number as 4 1 by 6. Is this clear? How to find the improper fraction into the mixed number? Yes, we'll move to the next Roman letter. We are going to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So here mixed number will be given. We want to convert into an improper fraction. So mixed number means we'll know that the form of a mixed number is quotient, remainder by the denominator. For example, 4 1 by 2 let us take. Here 4 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 2 is the denominator. So this is the mixed number. We want to convert into an improper fraction. To find the improper fraction, we need some steps to continue to find out the improper fraction. Here it is the denominator, this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. First step, you need to multiply the denominator by the quotient. You have to multiply the denominator and the quotient. You will get a product, right? When you multiply two numbers, you can get the product. With the product, you have to add the remainder. You just add the remainder. So first multiply the denominator and the quotient and then add remainder with the product, and the denominator will remains the same. Let us find out the improper fraction for the mixed number. Here 4 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, and 3 is the denominator. So here we can consider the short form for quotient is Q, remainder is R, and the denominator is D. So let us write in the form 4 1 by 3 equals quotient into denominator. Here the quotient is 4 and the denominator is 3. 4 into 3 plus, we have to add the remainder. Here the remainder is 1 by the denominator is 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13, and the denominator remains the same. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 3 is the improper fraction for the given mixed number. Answer 4 1 by 3 equals 13 by 3. So first you have to multiply the denominator by the quotient, then add the remainder, then you have to write the denominator. Denominator remains the same. So you have to multiply the denominator and quotient, then add the remainder. Look at the next question. 9 3 by 4. Here 9 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder, and 4 is the denominator. So let us find the improper fraction. First you have to multiply denominator by quotient plus you have to add the remainder with the product by the denominator. So 4 into 9 plus 3 divided by the denominator is 4. 4 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 divided by 4. 36 plus 3 is 39. 4 is the denominator. So 39 by 4 is the improper fraction of 9 3 by 4. Let us write the answer. 9 3 by 4 equals 39 by 4. Is this clear, children? In the next question is 3 1 by 3. Here 3 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 3 is the denominator. So which is equals, multiply the denominator by the quotient and then add the remainder with the product, then denominator. Now substitute the values. Denominator is 3, quotient is also 3, the remainder is 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 by 3 is the improper fraction of 3 1 by 3. So let us write the answer. 3 1 by 3 equals 10 by 3. Is it clear, children? In today's class we have learned how to find the improper fraction to a mixed number and mixed number into an improper fraction. I hope the concept is clear. We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.